everyone, welcome to my channel. Hopefully you all are doing well, and with that note I'm going to start my today's vlog. Today I would be reviewing Bronson's hair trimmer that can be useful when you want to trim your hair for your eyebrows, for your upper lips or lower lips, and also the hair that you get between the two eyebrows. So this hair trimmer is quite useful, but how it works and everything I will be showing you in this particular video, so don't skip it and watch till the end. I bought this one from Nykaa and it cost me 405 rupees. So this is from Bronson Professional Sensitive Precision. So let me just check what are the things that I have received in this particular package. I think there is trimmer head. I don't know whether it's visible. This is the trimmer head. So let me just fix it first and then I will show you how to trim the upper lip hair and other stuffs. You can see the hair growth on my upper lip, so I would try to use the Bronson hair trimmer. I have recently bought this one and would like to see if it really works or not. I would give you the honest review. Accordingly, you can decide whether you want to buy it or not. So without much further ado, let's start the video. I would apply some moisturizer first. You can pick any moisturizer. Let me just stop it and you can see the hair. So there is no irritation as such, but yes, if you have sensitive skin or something, you should apply a bit of ice cubes or something. Otherwise you can apply a bit of moisturizer. So what I'll be doing, I'll be applying some moisturizer over here. I have done both the upper hair and lower hair trim. So you can see now there is no such hair. If there is a bit of small hair also, then I can use the smaller blade and accordingly use it. So I think it works and it is useful. It is very easy to use, safe to use. So when we are not hitting the parlor, we can definitely go for this one product. And this is also very it's like what should I say, this is very affordable. So I think you can definitely go for this one. Most of the time on Nykaa portal it is on offer, so you get it at 399, 405 and within that range. So you can see 0, 1 and another sign to actually open the hair trimmer at the lower end. So when you choose this one, it is open. So you have one battery over here that you have to use when you want to use the trimmer. When you bring it to 0, not sure if it is visible on the camera. So when you bring it to 0, it is stopped, it's not working. But when the battery is on, when you have incorporated the AA1 battery into it, it is ready to use. Then you have to move it to the 1 and you can see that it is ready to use. The trimmer is ready to use. It starts automatically. Hope you have really enjoyed watching my vlog, and if you have really liked it, then do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. With the subscription button, also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I share any new upload, any video on my YouTube channel. So with that note, I'm going to end my today's vlog. Tata.